Start. Panchayati Raj Council of 5 officials is the system of local self-government of villages in rural India as opposed to urban and suburban municipalities. It consists of the Panchayati Raj institutions through which the self-government of villages is realized. They are tasked with economic development, strengthening social justice, and implementation of central and state government schemes, including those 29 subjects listed in the 11th schedule. Part 9 of the Indian Constitution is the section of the Constitution relating to the panchayats. It stipulates that in states or union territories with more than 2 million inhabitants, there are three levels of PRIs: the Gram Panchayats at village level, the intermediate panchayats at sub-district level, and the district panchayats at district level. In states or union territories with less than 2 million inhabitants, there are only two levels of PRIs. The Gram Sabha consists of all registered voters living in the area of a Gram Panchayat and is the organization through which village inhabitants participate directly in local government. Elections for the members of the panchayats at all levels take place every 5 years. The panchayats must include members of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the same proportion as in the general population. One third of all seats and chairperson posts must be reserved for women. In some states, half of all seats and chairperson posts. The modern Panchayati Raj system was introduced in India by the 73rd Constitutional Amendment in 1993, although it is based upon the historical Panchayati Raj system of the Indian subcontinent and is also present in Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Nepal. Following a proposal submitted in 1986 by the L.M. Singhvi Committee to make certain changes to the Panchayati Raj institutions which had already existed in early Indian history and which had been reintroduced not very successfully in the 20th century, the modern Panchayati Raj system was formalized and introduced in India in April 1993 as the 73rd Amendment to the Constitution following a study conducted by a number of Indian committees on various ways of implementing a more decentralized administration. The modern Panchayati Raj and its Gram Panchayats are not to be confused with the extra constitutional Khap Panchayats or Caste Panchayats found in northern India. In India, the Panchayati Raj now functions as a system of governance in which Gram Panchayats are the basic units of local administration. The system has three levels: Gram Panchayat, village level, Mandal Parishad or Block Samiti or Panchayat Samiti, block level, and Jila Parishad, district level. Currently, the Panchayati Raj system exists in all states except Nagaland, Meghalaya, and Mizoram, and in all union territories except Delhi. The panchayats receive funds from three sources: local body grants as recommended by the Central Finance Commission, funds for implementation of centrally sponsored schemes, funds released by the state governments on the recommendations of the state finance commissions. Panchayati Raj originated in 2nd millennium BCE in India during Vedic times. Since Vedic times, the village gram in the country is considered as the basic unit for regional self-administration. Mahatma Gandhi advocated Panchayati Raj as the foundation of India's political system as a decentralized form of government in which each village would be responsible for its own affairs. The term for which a vision was Gram Swaraj, village self-governance. Instead, India developed a highly centralized form of government. However, this has been moderated by the delegation of several administrative functions to the local level, empowering elected Gram Panchayats. There are significant differences between the traditional Panchayati Raj system that was envisioned by Gandhi and the system formalized in India in 1992. Stop.